I'm Sabrina with the 2-Minute CRA News you need to know. Next year, one of the most sweeping consumer privacy laws in the country takes effect here in California. The CRA gets lots of questions about this new law, and businesses have been advised to start preparing early because complying may be a long process. Here's a little background. After some high-profile data breaches, a ballot initiative was proposed that would have been even stricter than this bill is. Ultimately, the people who backed this initiative agreed to drop it and support a bill instead. The bill is AB 375, which was signed into law last year. It gives Californians new privacy rights, like the right to know what kind of data companies have collected, and more rights related to deleting their personal information. Now, it may sound like a law that only applies to social media companies and major providers of internet service, but it also applies to small businesses. For example, if you're a restaurant or group of restaurants that processes the credit or debit cards of 50,000 or more Californians in a year, you're impacted by this law. Consumers will also have the right of equal service, meaning businesses can't charge different prices or offer a different quality of service to customers who choose to keep their information private. That's great, but the obvious question is, what about loyalty programs? Loyalty programs typically require that you let the customer know that they've won a discount or a free meal, which usually means emailing them. If you couldn't let all your customers know about a discount or a freebie because they didn't all choose to give you their email address, would you be discriminating against the ones who chose to keep their email address private? That may sound ridiculous, but it's one of the questions this new law brings up. As for what's next? The good news is the CRA and many other organizations are working with the California Attorney General's office, which will be responsible for enforcing AB 375. And there are major efforts underway by the CRA and others in the business community to make this law more workable. So stay tuned. That's our 2 minutes. I'm Sabrina. Thank you for watching.